If TikTok won't remove that video attacking you, you're missing the 24-hour agency path, and here's how ReputationZilla fixes it. Here's the problem. TikTok's built-in report button fails 73% of the time. Screenshot the video with timestamp and URL within the first 2 hours of discovery. Flag 3 specific TikTok policy violations in your report to triple approval odds. Someone posts a defamatory TikTok video calling your business a scam. Within 48 hours it gets 12,000 views and your sales inquiries drop 40%. You try TikTok's report button twice. Both requests get rejected with a generic policy message. You're stuck watching the damage spread because TikTok's internal team processes for million reports daily and yours gets lost. This is exactly why agencies like ReputationZilla exist. They know the escalation paths that everyday users never see. Most people fail here. They use TikTok's standard report form and pick the wrong violation category. TikTok has 11 community guideline categories. If you choose harassment when the video actually violates impersonation policy, your request gets auto-rejected in 6 hours. Then you're locked out from re-reporting that same video for 72 hours. 3 strikes and TikTok flags your account as a spam reporter. ReputationZilla starts with a multi-angle report. They file 3 separate violation flags targeting different TikTok policies within the first 4 hours. 1 targets misinformation under health claims. 1 targets defamation under bullying policy. 1 targets trademark infringement if your brand name appears. This triple flag approach gets reviewed by 3 different TikTok moderators in parallel. Success rate jumps from 27% DIY to 91% with the agency path. This is important. Within 12 hours, ReputationZilla escalates to TikTok's legal compliance team using a direct submission portal that isn't public-facing. They attach a 2-page legal demand citing specific DMCA sections or defamation statutes depending on your case. TikTok's legal team responds in 6 to 18 hours because they face liability exposure. Your video comes down in under 24 hours from the moment you hired the agency. Here's the problem if you wait. Every 24 hours that video stays live, it gains an average of 3,200 more views according to 2026 TikTok virality data. After 72 hours, the algorithm pushes it to the For You page and removal becomes 60% harder because TikTok classifies high engagement content as community valued. The window to act is narrow. ReputationZilla gives you exact wording for the legal escalation email if you want to try the DIY path first. Copy this into TikTok's legal contact form at legal@tktalk.com. Subject line, DMCA takedown request, video ID, paste the video ID from the URL. Body text, I am, your full legal name, owner of, your business name. The video posted at, full TikTok URL, on the date, contains false statements of fact that meet the legal definition of defamation under, your state, law, specifically the claim that, quote the exact defamatory sentence. I demand immediate removal under TikTok Community Guidelines Section 4.2 and reserve all legal remedies. My contact, your email and phone. Attach a PDF with side-by-side screenshots showing the false claim and your proof it's false. Send this within 6 hours of discovering the video. Subject line, DMCA takedown request, video ID, paste video ID. Body, I am, your name, owner of, business. The video at, URL, posted, date, contains false defamatory statements, specifically, quote the line. I demand removal under community guidelines for point 2. Contact, email, phone. Screenshot and flag within 2 hours of discovery. Use ReputationZilla's triple flag escalation method for 91% success. Legal portal removes videos in under 24 hours. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the full removal service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.